Bro, I just recorded the whole vid and my mic wasn't on the whole time. Let me even check everything patterned. Okay, calm. Yeah. Anyways, we go again. This is literally on a quick thing, how long this vid takes. We're gonna break down and go over and have a market recap using the Forex strategy and see how much you'd be up, how much you'd be down, starting this month up until now. I know it's been a while, but yeah, I haven't really been trading. I haven't traded Forex at all this month, even for the past full month as well. I've been mainly on gold. When it's time, guys will see my progress on that. Is it progressing? Bro, I don't even know. You lot don't even want to see the state I'm funded right now. But yeah, that's it for now. We're going to dive straight into this market recap and look at all the trades. Since I've already gone through the video already, you can already see the trades and I'll literally just go through. It's simple. You've already watched the strategy video. You're literally just using that exact same formula, bounce off, engulfing candle on the half an hour, hourly, 2 hour or whatever. And yeah, we go. So we start off 1st of December. First thing we do, that I'm just going to do, is look, what are we trading up or down on the 4 hour? We're crossed up, so by the 1st of December, we're trading up. We want whatever time frame we enter on, it needs to be the same as 4 hour, it needs to be crossed up as well. So cool. We'll start from Monday the 1st. Boom shakalaka. And let's just get straight to it. We don't get a trade, a valid one that is, until the Wednesday. And as you can see on this Wednesday, we get a bounce off around 8:30 a.m. and engulfing candle. Boom. We enter. I'm just going to zoom in just so you guys can see. Bounce off here, enter there. Stops below the low of that candle, target 1 to 3. Boom, that happens. That's on the Wednesday, so we're up 3% at this point. Now on the Thursday, as you can see, around 10, 11, we get a bounce off, engulfing candle, half an hour. Bro, I'm taking that. It's literally strat. Cool. Unfortunately, it goes straight to stops, or just about straight to stops. Don't even get to go break even. It's calm. So we're 2% at this point. We don't get anything else. You can see we cross down. Boom, 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 boom. So that was on the Thursday. We didn't get nothing on the Friday. See, we crossed down everything. Hagla, 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 hagla. We didn't get nothing 1 hour as well, I can assure you. If you don't believe me, go check in it. Calm. Boom. So that Friday, and that's the week done on 2%. You don't take no other silly other trades. Yeah, cool. Now, start on the Monday again on the 8th. Nothing. We're all crossed down. We need to wait for it to cross up. We cross up on a Wednesday. And what do we get on this? We don't even get nothing on the Wednesday. We do, but it's at 7. We don't trade these times. Like, trading hours are done. Boom. So we wait till Thursday now, and we do get something at 9:30 a.m. Boom. Touch, engulfing, enter, stops below the low, bro. It's textbook. Do you know what I'm saying? It is textbook. Let me not say, you know what I'm saying? It's just a textbook entry, and we get our nice 1 to 3. Boom. So at this point, 5%. That's at Thursday, and we don't get nothing on the Friday, so we go to this week now from the 15th. On this Monday, what do we get at 9 a.m.? We crossed up. We're still crossed up in this half an hour chart. And we get this nice engulfing here. What do we do? Enter, stops below that low. So it's not that large. 12 pippers. Boom. What do we do? Actually, this trade might be a break even, you know. This trade might be a break evens. We might break even this trade actually now that I look at it. Because cool, we enter and we have this whole play up. And once we touch a 1 to 2, which we did here. Yeah, boom, here. Once we touch a 1 to 2, we're going to break even. As you can see, we come back. We break even. So we can call this trade. We can call this trade break even. I didn't even notice that on my first two actually. Boom, right there. That's a break even trade right there. Cool. We can move that down there. So that's what we get on Monday. We get a break even. Now on Tuesday we see what 11:30. We get an engulfing. It stops below the low. Up. Boom. 1 to 3 quickly. That might even be news. We might even trade through news. Damn, maybe news. Probably not even going to be in. Probably not even going to be in, or I might even be break even on this one as well, lads. Won't be in or break even. So either way, man, I don't know, man. This is a tricky zicky one. Tricky zicky one. Tricky zicky one. As you can see, it's what happens on this 130 candle is a nice doji and that. This one, I can't lie. Should we call it break even for the sake of, and we're in December as well? Yeah, let's just do that. Let's do that. We'll call it break even as well. So 2 break-even trades. So that leaves us up 5% so far for the month, actually. We have this 1 win in the beginning, 1 loss, and this another win as well. So 3%, 2%, and then add another 3. Calm, 5%, boom and boom, these two break even, so still leaves us around 5%, maybe 4.8 or something, depending on whatever happens, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for Euro in December, that's 5%. Now for GBP USD, same thing. I don't even need to go 4 hour, it's crossed up, I assure you. Yeah, and as we can see, from the Monday, the 1st, we would cross down, we crossed up and then get no retest. If we didn't get no retest on the for half an hour, trust me, we didn't get it on the hourly or above. Cool. So then we end up getting our first trade on the Friday. That's not even a day you want to be trading too tough, but you're gonna trade it too tough because you want to trade too tough and you ain't traded all week. Do you know what I'm saying? So boom, we get it, and then we got entry at around 11:30. It's crossed up, engulfing. We go up a little. We do not get a 1 to 2. I can assure we don't get a, oh, do we? No, we don't. We don't get a 1 to 2. So stop loss, that's a -1% on a Friday. It's just not ideal way to end the week, is it? But there we go. We don't care. We go again on the Monday, the 8th of December. We don't get nothing. We cross down. We cross up. When's that? But we don't get no engulfing, and cross straight back down. Boom, 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 boom. Now Wednesday, we cross back up. Boom. 6. Oh, it's 4:30. It's 4 on the dot. Oh, this candle on the dot. This one is just pushing it. But I'll tell you what, we ain't trading a while, we're down, so we're gonna take this trade right like that. Stops below the low, and we will push up for our 1 to 3. Hope it's not a news day. There might have been news this day. No, either way, if it's news, we're gonna break even and we get break even. If not, that's that 3%. I think there was news this day actually, especially this time. 7. Whatever. Yeah, calm. Now the next day, on this Thursday the 11th, as you can see, around 10 o'clock, we got half an hour engulfing. Boom, stops below the low, 3%. Quick like so. Quick like so. Quick like so. We don't get nothing else. Friday, we don't get nothing. Looking at even cross down. Back to this week on the Monday, we cross up. We cross, just mucking about on this Monday, innit? Cross down, cross back up on this Tuesday. We didn't get, we got what? This 6:30, we're not taking no trade there. And we cross back down, and look where we are now. We just crossed back up. What time is it? Almost 4. We ain't getting no trade today. So that's it really for GU. If anything, we got -1. And maybe, okay, we can call this one break even. Cool. And just say -1 break even, so still -1 or -1.2 or whatever percent. Depends how much you get taken out, and then this 3%. So you're up around 2% for the month from GU as well. Altogether, both markets up 7%, but obviously not going to take the same trade the same day on both. But this is just looking at both markets, how they performed in this month of December, using the strategy as well. It's been a slow month, you know how December can be, the price action, goo. But yeah, that's it for now. Next vid, I'll kind of just break down what I've been doing on my funded. It just hasn't been good. Anyways, yeah, that's it for this vid. Hope you understood. If you don't, slap something in the comments. I'll got you.